Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Infinite Cloner within Smart Notebook with your students. And Infinite Cloner is actually amazing because it saves you so much time within creating manipulatives. You can just do this right on the smartboard. It's really fun. I hope you'll give it a try and tweet at me at SmartTechTeddy to share your experience as well as check out our other social media accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So I already set up a file here in Smart Notebook. I did that just in one page, but I can of course clone this page over and over for my students to use. What I did is I added a text box here, create an equation using the pictures below. I added blank shapes, just squares right here. And then I also added pictures of animals because that's way more fun than just doing blocks or circles or squares or whatever. And I did this right in our gallery by searching for animals. And as you can see, there are plenty to choose from. I just pulled out the ones I liked. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to lock all of these so that when my kids are dragging the animals up, they don't mess anything up. So I'm going to go down here to lock and lock in place. I'll also go ahead and lock my text box here just so that that doesn't move. And then here is the cool part. What I'm going to do is infinitely clone all of these animals. So I'll go ahead and just select all of them at once and set them to infinite cloner right here. So now my students are going to have an assignment where they come up to the board, or I can just throw this in SLS online, of course, as well. And their directions are to create an equation using the pictures below. So for example, they might create an equation where they just click and drag 2 or 3 dogs, and they say with their smart pen, it's a little difficult on the computer, but let's say they're adding plus, let's say they love butterflies, plus 2 butterflies. And with their smart pen at the board, they're going to say that equals 5, right? But maybe they are not yet sure how to add. So we're going to actually go ahead and clone more dogs. So we have 3 and 2 butterflies, and that's going to equal 5. So that way they can really get a nice visual of what they're doing. So again, infinite cloner, you just select whatever you want to infinitely clone, and mine is set, so I'm going to unset it to show you again. You just right click and then you set it to infinite cloner and you're good to go. So this lesson I'm actually going to post to our Smart Exchange. If you like it, you can feel free to download it, or of course tweet at me, email me, etc. with your feedback. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you give Infinite Cloner a try.